Due to the dramatic shortage of electricity for extended period of times, we had to look for alternative source of energy. The best option was solar energy. The goal of the project was to use solar energy to power our facility. Such project will save the fuel cost and will reduce the electricity bill. All thanks to Megapower team. All their efforts were much appreciated. The project was done in high standards, as Megapower staff were on top of each task in the project, in addition to following up after installation in the YMCA.